Hello people, so today we will solve LeetCode that is 1574 shortest subarray to be removed to make its array sorted. And in this we are given an integer array. ARR remove a subarray from array such that the remaining elements in array are non-decreasing. And we have to return the length of the shortest subarray to remove, and a subarray is a contiguous subsequence of the array as you already know. And we are given input of array as 1 2 3 10 4 2 3 5. So we need to make this array sorted. For that we need to remove the subarray, and we need to find the length of the shortest subarray that will make it sorted. So there are multiple ways in which this will become sorted. One is if we will remove this subarray, so 1 2 3 10 and itself will become sorted. But another way is but it will cost us a length of 4. The another way is what we can do is we can remove this 10 4 and 2 subarrays, which is only 3. Then we'll be having 1 2 3 3 5, and then it will become a sorted one, and that is also like lesser length than 10 4 to 3 5. Okay. And now for this what we'll have to do is, firstly let's have a right pointer which will be pointing towards the last element of the array, so array dot length -1, and then we'll be moving our right pointer while we are having like the sorted array. So while right is greater than 0 and array of right is greater than or equal to array of right -1. Oh, I guess I can do that. Let's not be over smart. Yeah, let's do a right minus minus. Now let's say I need to remove the remaining subarray which is at right. Let's say my initial answer is at right and left pointer is currently at 0. Now I'll be having my moving my left pointer till I'm having a sorted array, and then I'll be checking the conditions. So while left is less than right, and if left is equal to 0, or I'm having a sorted array, so that basically means array of left -1 is less than or equal to array of left. Okay, now what I'll be doing is that while right is less than array dot length and array of left is greater than array of right, I'll be incrementing my right pointer. Okay, and then I'll be updating my answer as minimum of my current answer comma right minus left plus 1, and then incrementing the left pointer and at the end returning the answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, wrong answer. Okay, I'll just see that y is less than or equal to area of left, and area of left is greater than area of right minus left. Oh, sorry, -1. Now let's give it a run again, and it gets clipped and I'll submit it. And works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this is what we will do. Thank you for watching.